that was dumb, wasn't it?
No way!
You idiot! What are you doing?
There we go, look.
My stuff. I'll tell you what, the traffic is horrendous. Yeah, thanks, mate. Just go for it.
At 73. On his phone as well.
The long-term plan.
It goes with the coastal theme that we're doing with our garden, with the blues and the... Do you want to slow down, Jimmy? I know it's his fault, but...
What is that? What's in your ear?
That white one just shot across the third lane. How is this woman doing? Organised it. We'll go somewhere else and maybe a bit more price conscious next time.
Price conscious.
Dude, like, why are you stood there? Oh, no. Pitching. Yeah, like about half a click the button now because I know he's not going to stop. Yeah, of course.
So I know when it's going to change.
You naughty, you naughty.
Red light runner, yeah.
You naughty.
Oh, eh? Sake, man.
Ah. What was that, 3?
2.
ones in Arnold are worse. I've ever tried to patch some of this up. Look at this patchwork quilt over here.
Oh. Button.
Aye.
Button.
Oh, yes. It's upside down. 75 plate. Oops.
Right, we have another Chevrolet here. If memory serves, these were called, yes, El Camino in 1974 apparently. One way of shifting loads quickly, I suppose.
Yeah, well, yeah.
There we go, here's one that hasn't been trashed. But in all its glory, the biplane rear wing, very, very distinctive. And from one extreme to another, we have a rather modified VW Transporter. One Mazda RX-8 with a lot of tubes in the engine bay. Remembering it's a Wankel engine, and also equipped with an implausibly large rear wing. But there we go. That's what you like. That's what you like. So here we have a Mark II Capri, 3 litre.
That's road legal. Press button.